Take your brush and set the opacity accordingly and just paint over the skin. What if you can retouch your photos like this? Welcome to Abhay Productions, presenting you high-end skin retouching in Photoshop. Step 1. Remove dark spots. Convert the background layer into normal layer and duplicate this layer. Turn the copied layer off. Now select layer 0 and go to the adjustment layer. Select black and white and adjust reds and yellows until the dark spots easily visible. Now select the spot healing brush tool and click all over the dark spot one by one. Actually, this process will take time depending on the image you have. More dark spots, more time, and we people don't have time. So 3000 later. I got this. Step 2. Rename the layers and select the original copy layer and press Ctrl J 2 times to make 2 duplicate layers and name them high and low. Step 3. Apply filters. Select the high layer and go to the filters, then others, and then high pass. Adjust radius accordingly, like in my case it is 4.8 pixels, and change the blend mode to linear light and opacity to 50%. That's it for this layer. Now select this low layer and again go to the filter, then blur, and then Gaussian blur. The radius is 4.8 pixels and press Ctrl G to group these two layers. And now final step. Apply the Gaussian blur and increase the radius until you can see sharp image. In my case it is 72.6 pixels. And press Ctrl I to invert this smart filter. And here will be the magic begin. Take your brush and set the opacity accordingly and just paint over the skin. This is the result we are looking for. Absolutely beautiful. And I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll be making this kind of tutorial for you. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.